pretty fast. All right. Like I said, this is kind of a self-defense scenario. All right, let's walk down there and see what happens. Okay. Now this is at 100 yards, folks. And this is with my heart just pumping away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think there's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 rounds all hit that body. I like that. That's a 100-yard rifle, easy. All